Hey everybody, I am about to show you the accumulation of snow that we in Sauk Village, Illinois have gotten over the past week and a half or so. This is amazing. I mean, well, I haven't seen snow like this in a while. I can't recall the last time we've had snow like this, but I know we've been shoveling quite a bit. My back is really feeling it. Here you go. So this is the accumulation of snow that has built up. We have been trying to keep this under control. There was more snow on the ground and it's not very slippery out here. So I'm glad of that because we went, my girls and I went last night and we were looking for salt, and every store we went to, they were sold out. But yes, this is the snow that was built up here. And it is just, it has been crucial here. We have been constantly coming out, shoveling and piling up snow so that we can get out of the house. And it's been a job. So just wanted to let you guys see what we're dealing with here in Sauk Village, Illinois. Wow. You know, and this is February I forgot, I think it's the 17th today. And yes, we are dealing with quite a bit of snow, and we're kind of hoping, well, we're really hoping that we won't see any more for a while. That this will have time to kind of dissipate before more comes. But so far it hasn't been the case. There's been a little that went down and then another big snowstorm. Hopefully things will change to where the snow will start drying up and we won't have any more. But who knows, it's only February, so we might have a lot more to go. We'll see. I'll keep you guys informed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.